So in this video, you'll learn how to enable calendar sync on your Huawei Band 10. So if you want to be able to view any upcoming events from your band, then this is what you need to do. Simply start by launching the Huawei Health app, and then you want to select Devices and tap on your Band 10. From here, you want to scroll and select Device Settings, then tap on the option App Management, and then choose Calendar. So in order for you to enable calendar sync, simply tap on the toggle like that and it will be turned on. Once it's been turned on, it now means that whenever you go to the calendar app on your Huawei Band 10, like this, you'll be able to see any upcoming events simply by opening this app, and you can see all upcoming events for the day. Again, if it's a different day such as Wednesday or Thursday, you should still be able to see the upcoming events for that specific day. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.